Hi, today we'll explore the checkbox element by creating a tool to mute your PC sound. Before you begin, pair the keyboard extension app for Windows with the keyboard extension mobile app. Unauthorized users cannot create or modify widgets, so make sure you're logged in. Now let's create a new widget. Go to the Toggle category in the preset list and add a checkbox. First, go to Caption and add a name for your checkbox. Then increase the text size. Tap the checkbox to return to the main menu on the navigation bar. Now we can connect a plugin that will turn the sound on and off. Select Action, then Tap, and Plugin. Open the list of plugins and look for the Volume Control category. Here we'll need Mute Control and New Mute State. Now we can switch volume on and off, but we also want to see current mute state. Let's configure checkbox states by assigning corresponding plugin parameter. So let's go back in the menu. Select State, then Selected State, and Plugin. Select the same plugin. But this time, we'll need the Current Mute State option. Before saving, let's rename our widget. And let's pin it so it's accessible from any app. Save and test. Toggle the checkbox, and we see that the sound is muted. Now, let's uncheck the box. The sound is back. It works perfectly. Check out my other tutorials as well. In them, I cover the rest of the useful features of keyboard extension.